Come one, come all to Mike Toller Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Morehead City, where we are looking at a 2002 Nissan Maxima. This is a GLE model. It is a one-owner, exceptionally clean car for the miles. It has about 114,000 on her. Well, we think she's got plenty of mileage still to go. This is a clean car, like we said, one owner, white in color. The wheels are in outstanding condition. The tires are brand new. This is the GLE model, like we mentioned, has all of the bells and whistles, including the spoiler, little dual tip exhaust right there, little tow package. That is for a bike rack, which would stand up from here. Don't call us about this car yet. It's not ready to go on the line for a few more minutes. So give us a minute. Let me finish what I'm doing here. I can only do one thing at a time. See, now I've lost my train of thought. 2002 model, powered by a 3.5-liter V6. This is actually the Meridian package, which has everything. Power windows, power door locks, of course, is what you'd expect. Memory settings for 2 drivers. There's your power driver seat. Even has the easy exit system right there, and a heated steering wheel, which was about unheard of in 2002. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, of course. And let's check out this sound system. I'm going to turn the air off because I'm probably freezing you out. AM, FM, 6-disc, in-dash, Bose sound system with a tape deck. Pretty fancy. Ice-cold air conditioning like we talked about. There's a power outlet right there. Little storage area right there, not an ashtray. Automatic transmission, you can go through all the gears. Cup holders, of course. Dual heated seat controls right there. Nice size glove box. And of course we have the factory sunroof. Oh, it's blinding. We're going to go ahead and close that. Home link for your garage door opener. The leather on this vehicle is near perfect. I mean, this is the driver's seat, and it looks just about brand new. The leather has worn very, very well. The headliner is outstanding. There's no stain. The only stain is in the floor mat. Imagine that, right where people's feet go. So other than that, this car is perfect. Check out the space in the back right here. There's a ton of space back here. These seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. The leather is outstanding. You even have another power outlet back here. Cup holders, of course. Side curtain airbags right in the seat. Active head restraint right here. Clean car. 2002 model Maxima GLE with 114,557 miles. One owner, clean as could be. On sale here at Mike Toller Chrysler Dodge Jeep. We are located at 5069 Highway 70 in Morehead, right under the big American flag. Or you can continue to shop us on the internet, www.miketoller.com, www.miketollerchryserdodgejeep.net, or call us up like that other person was getting ready to do. 252-247-2003. That's 252-247-2003 at Mike Toller Chrysler Jeep. Just keep in mind, Mike can make it happen. We thank you for shopping with us, and we hope that you have a great day.